Hi. So before we take a look at how to remove items, I want us to take a look at how to add other collections to our set. Okay, so we know how to add individual items by calling the add method on the set variable. However, it is possible for us to update an existing set using items in another iterable or collection. Okay, so we had these countries. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say other countries is equal to, and over here I'm creating a list. So I'll say India, I'm going to add China, I'm going to add Kuwait, I'm going to add Qatar, I'm going to add Togo, and I'm going to add Belgium. So let's say these are other countries that have qualified for the tournament and we want to add them to the countries set. Okay, so the way we do that is we call countries dot update and then we pass in other countries. Now mind you, these other countries could be a list, a tuple, or another set. So it should be an iterable, it should be another collection data type, and Python is going to take care of adding the distinct items from these other countries to the countries variable. So now let's run this program and see. So you can see that indeed Kuwait, China, India, and all those new countries, Belgium, Togo, and Qatar, have been added to the countries set, which previously contained only Ghana, USA, and Germany. So remember, you have the update method, which you can call and pass in any iterable, and by this I mean either a tuple or a list, which is going to be used to update the items in the existing set by looking for the distinct element and adding them. So thank you very much for watching this. Let's take a quick break and I'll see you in the next video where we talk about how to remove items like I promised previously.